Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about SUI network. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now let's start with the video, and as you can see this token is down by 70%. It was down by 70%. Now there is some trading that is happening and it is up by 2%. But yes, since the launch of this token on the mainnet, this has fallen down drastically. And if you also check the crypto bubbles, it's the biggest drop down. For some reason, it's showing minus 30%, but it's minus 70% over here. And if we go down and check the all time high for this token, it was $4.5 plus in the past 14 hours. So this was 14 hours ago, and now it has fallen down $1.23. The thing is, like, some people have bought this token for as low as 3 cents, but they are still in profits, huge profits, as compared to the people who have bought recently, where they haven't made enough profit, and many investors have made losses in this. And if you check the overall volume, the traded volume in the past 24 hours, it's more than 1 billion US dollars, which is a massive volume to be traded. And only 5% of circulating supply is there in the system right now, and the overall market cap is close to $760 million. Now, the reason behind this massive fall is maybe most of the investors have quickly sold it because of the quick profits that they have earned, and mainly most of the earlier investors have made a huge profit, so that's the reason why they must have sold it. And the second reason is there are some analysts that are claiming that it is just a vaporware, meaning there is only advertising of SUI that is done with no real utility behind it. And this token was claimed to be a Solana killer. We are not sure whether this will recover from here again to these levels, but since it's down by so much, like 70%, is really difficult for it to recover anytime soon, because this is not a meme token, and in the past meme tokens had risen very quickly due to hype and some tweets from big people out there. Now, the only problem with this is, like, since there is no utility as the analysts claim, then this is a problem about the network. Maybe if they develop some utilities in the future, some good utilities, then we can see this token rising in the market again. And if you still check it, it's still ranked in top 100 tokens overall. So imagine if it was $4.5, I think it was in top 20 most probably. I haven't checked it. And if you check the fully diluted market cap, it's more than 14 billion US dollars, which is a huge market cap. So this is all about SUI network token, and let me know if you have invested in this token or not, or you have already made profits out of this. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.